What's up everyone, this is Tony JRNY Crypto. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why we're still early to the crypto space. Even if you're new to crypto and buying in this week, I think you're still very early and can be very successful. I'm going to talk about how I invest and how you can invest in cryptocurrencies to be successful in the long term as well, and go over some other important stuff in the crypto space. We actually have Bitcoin breaking all-time highs once again today, and Ethereum is getting close to testing its all-time high. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. When I hit 50,000 subscribers, I will be doing a massive crypto giveaway here. Also, you could comment below. I will try to reply to all the comments if you have any questions. So real quick, I want to say thank you to everyone that has recently subscribed and has been watching my videos. I really appreciate it. The channel is actually growing faster than it ever has been, and I do have plans to improve the quality of the channel and bring in some new content as well, some different styles of content. I'm also working on a crypto membership site where you'll get access to private chats, you'll get access to private content within a website, and some other huge perks as well. So I will be doing a pre-sale for this crypto membership site in the upcoming couple weeks. I'm only going to allow 300 signups for the pre-sale, and basically this will give you a massive discount on the first year for the membership site, as well as give you access to private groups early on, so you can talk to me and other people and see what type of trades and stuff we're doing. So I will give you guys more info on that in the upcoming couple weeks, and I will let you guys know what day I plan to launch this pre-sale. But besides that, the website will be launching in the next few months. I've been working on this for the last couple years, very excited to launch this. So jumping into the crypto markets, Bitcoin broke its all-time high once again, $36,250 right now, just insane. We're definitely going for $50,000 at this rate, and I will talk more about that and why we're still very early. So Ethereum as well, touching $1,200 for the first time since the peak of the last bull run, end of 2017, and it's up 58% on the 7-day. So Ethereum, I think, will be testing its all-time high here in the next few days. So Ethereum's all-time high was around $1,400. You have to keep in mind though, at this time there was much less Ethereum in circulation. So how that works, I do think right now we're actually at a higher market cap than we were at the peak of the last bull run. Yeah, we were. So we're definitely at the all-time high market cap for Ethereum right now for the first time ever. And I do think we will be testing the all-time high price in the upcoming couple days as well. If you guys check out the volume here, mega spike in volume over the last 24 hours. And this has been rising steadily over the past year. The Ethereum network is massive and growing rapidly. The Ethereum network fees right now are just ridiculous though. If you're using Uniswap to buy altcoins, it's really not worth it, and you will have to use a centralized exchange if you do want to pick up altcoins without those fees. So that is one drawback to the Ethereum network, which is why I'm so bullish on the Cardano network. And Cardano as well is touching 32 cents right now for the first time since the peak of the last bull run, where it went over $1, up 73% on the 7-day. So yesterday I actually sold $50,000 worth of Ethereum and bought $50,000 worth of ADA. I got 200,000 ADA for 50 Ethereum. So I do think Cardano has much higher profit potential over the next few months, since Cardano does have a major network update coming called Goguen, which will introduce smart contracts to the project. So if you guys want to learn more about Cardano, which is rapidly increasing in price and still has massive potential for huge return on investment over the next few months, I think Cardano is a very steady investment out of the top 10 that will continue rising towards March, and I do think it will be the best performer out of the top 10 in Q1. And definitely check out my recent Cardano video, top 5 reasons why I think Cardano can do a 10x in Q1. That's on my channel. So jumping into why I think we're still very early to the cryptocurrency space. Even if you're getting in right now with everything at peak prices, Bitcoin breaking all-time highs every day, pretty much everything is up 100% or more in the last couple weeks. And I do think we're still very early, especially if you find the right projects and you know what you're getting into, and they have a solid long-term vision where they will keep building utility for their coins and keep growing in community size. So I posted this pump we are getting right now reminds me of mid 2017. If things play out the same in mid to end 2021, we should be in the multi-trillions global market cap. And actually we are breaking 1 trillion global market cap right now. First time ever. Today is a historic day in the crypto space. $1 trillion. Finally, the crypto space has never been 1 trillion or more. This is crypto global market cap as well, which is basically every single crypto out there, every coin and every token at its current value, all added up together, is around $1 trillion right now. So I want to talk about why we're so early, even as we're peaking right now at all-time highs at $1 trillion global market cap. So this website is called companiesmarketcap.com, and it shows all the top companies with highest market cap in the world. And as you guys can see, there's 5 companies with over $1.5 trillion market cap alone. That means Google alone has more market cap than the entire crypto space combined. That's just ridiculous in my opinion, and that's one of the main reasons why I think we're so early to the cryptocurrency space. So eventually I do see cryptocurrencies, multiple cryptocurrencies being in the multi-trillions by themselves, and I do think the crypto space at the peak of the next bull run will be $5 trillion global market cap or more. And that's the scenario where we will see Bitcoin over $100,000, Ethereum over $5,000, many of the top 10s much higher than they are right now. I definitely see Cardano ADA being well over $1, especially by the launch of Goguen, where there's going to be a lot of hype and attention on Cardano. So this is why I said this reminds me of the pump we had mid 2017. And this is really when cryptocurrencies got put on the map, but this was only the beginning. Many people thought this was the peak of the bull run, and a lot of people sold here, which really cut themselves short. So if we check out the global market cap, we can see mid 2017 right here was the first time the crypto space hit $100 billion global market cap. And then quickly throughout the end of 2017, it steadily rose until it peaked out around $820 billion, which was 8x from where it peaked in mid 2017. So right now, this is what this reminds me of right here. This steady rise we have reminds me of this first pump here in mid 2017. And if things play out the same way, then we can expect another 8 to 10x in market cap. But this time around, we have a lot of different things happening. We have institutional demand at the same time as retail demand. This last bull run here was only retail demand. And as you guys can see, the volume was much smaller compared to current volumes for cryptocurrencies. So the crypto space was really not prepared at this time as well. It was harder to buy cryptocurrencies. People thought it was a lot sketchier at the time. So it's going much more mainstream now. So if this does play out the same way as 2017 did, this is only the beginning right now. And even selling at an all-time high, even in huge profits, while some people may think that's great, you could be cutting yourself short of another 10x or even more. So we'll see how things play out, but in general, things are very bullish for cryptocurrencies. Keep in mind though, not every coin is going to do 10x. There will be coins that just do 2x. There'll be coins that disappear completely. So what I like to look in for cryptocurrencies I invest in is projects I really believe in. They have solid people running it and building utility for the cryptocurrency, as well as they have funding and a long-term vision that's going to make them continue to thrive and continue to have a growing community, because that's what is very important for cryptocurrencies to keep rising in price, is to stay relevant and to keep building utility and use case and keep having a growing community as well. Many crypto projects out there, even in the top 100, really don't grasp this concept, and I think that's a major reason why many of the top 100 cryptocurrencies are just not going to do well. So 2 projects I'm very bullish on for 2021 that have a solid long-term vision is Cardano ADA and SparkPoint SRK. So SparkPoint SRK, I am a marketing advisor for them, and this project saw over 50x in 2020, and they're still at a very low market cap. If you check them out here, SparkPoint SRK on CoinMarketCap, we can see that the market cap is only around 15 million right now. So this project has a lot going on, and as you guys can see, the price of this has actually been rising alongside Bitcoin, and this project has actually been going up in sats at the same time that Bitcoin is breaking all-time highs, which is a sign of a very strong project. So I'm not telling you guys to go out and buy SparkPoint SRK, but it's definitely a project you want to have on your radar. You can go follow them on Twitter and check out their website, just see what they're doing. They do monthly roadmaps as well, where they pretty much are doing big things every single month. This is the only crypto project out there I've seen that does monthly roadmaps. They have long-term roadmaps as well. Very organized, growing team, all great signs. SparkPoint SRK will have huge ROI in 2021, especially in a bull market like this. So if you guys are new to the crypto space, I highly recommend you get my free cryptocurrency course, which is available on the SparkPoint learning platform. So SparkPoint is delivering free education on cryptocurrency, finance, and investing to their users. And basically this is hundreds of dollars worth of education for 100% free. All you have to do is go to this sparkpoint.io/learn, and you'll be taken to their Spark Learn platform, where you can complete these courses. They will have certificates even for people that complete courses, which could help you land some jobs and stuff later on as well. So all you have to do is register, and then you will get 100% free access to all of these courses here. As you guys can see, my course here, Cryptocurrency 101, Buy, Sell, and Trade for Beginners. This is a 15 video course with all the information you need to start as a beginner and be successful and avoid scams and everything. So I highly recommend going through this if you're new to the crypto space, or if you know anyone interested in getting into cryptocurrency for the first time. They should definitely get educated to avoid scams and everything and big mistakes. Scammers are coming out in the masses right now, and it's unbelievable how tricky they're getting with their stuff. So be very careful in general with cryptocurrencies. If you have an app on your phone, be very careful of any links you click on your phone for text message or anything. There's a new scam going around in text message where they pretend that you have a UPS package update and they give you a link. You click that link, and then basically they'll get access to your phone and send all your cryptocurrencies off your apps, out of your wallets, and you can never recover that. So definitely great to become educated. The more educated new investors get as a whole, the better the cryptocurrency space will thrive in the long term as well, because we won't have scammers stealing billions of dollars worth of cryptocurrency and just dumping that on the markets, making it even harder to thrive. So if you guys want to sign up for Spark Learn and get free access to all of these courses here, they are adding new courses every single month as well. So free education account you can get here for cryptocurrencies. I highly recommend this for anyone that's new to the crypto space. There will be a link in the video description to sign up here. So SparkPoint, if you're signing up for one of those accounts, you'll also be getting an account for their Spark Earn platform, where you can actually earn SRK and other cryptocurrencies by doing simple monthly bounties and tasks. And some of these tasks are really fun. They're mobile games. They have Crypto Burst, Crypto Slicer, and they have a new game, Crypto Shooter. They have another new game coming out soon as well. So I think these games will blow up during a bull market as well. They're very fun. You guys should just try these out. Currently, they're only on the Google Play Store, but they are launching iOS in the upcoming couple months as well for all of their apps. So I believe getting to level 100 in Crypto Burst, you can earn about $50 worth of SRK, and there's another cryptocurrency they reward you with as well. And then you could do monthly bounties here and earn a few dollars worth of SRK every month or so. So signing up for that Spark Learn account also gets you access in the same account to Spark Earn, where you can earn some SRK on the side. So that's a great way to get started, and a great reason why I think SparkPoint SRK has massive potential in 2021. They really have a great onboarding platform for new cryptocurrency users, and they're only growing this and making it better and better. At the same time, they're in DeFi and all kinds of other stuff. So in general, I'm very bullish on this, especially with such a low market cap of $15 million. It's really a no-brainer to me that this could easily do a 10x or more. So real quick, I want to talk about how I invest in cryptocurrencies and how you can also invest to be successful in the long term. And the main way I invest is dollar cost averaging, or DCA. So what is dollar cost averaging? It's a investment strategy in which an investor divides up the total amount to be invested across periodic purchases of a target asset in an effort to reduce the impact of volatility on the overall purchase. The purchases occur regardless of the asset's price and at regular intervals. So basically, if you get paid every 2 weeks, as soon as you get paid for that 2 weeks, you would take out whatever percentage you want to buy with cryptocurrency and go buy that cryptocurrency immediately, no matter what the price is of that crypto. Of course, I do a slightly altered version of this where I try to space it out and buy the dips. So for instance, if Cardano ADA dipped tomorrow for 20% or something, I would buy it in there, and then let's say 2 weeks from now it dips again, but it's around 50 cents. I would buy there again, and you would just keep doing this over time, and eventually from buying the dips every couple weeks, you would have a lower buy-in average than if you just went all in all at once at a peak price. So generally this works out very well for people because it's spreading it out. It makes their average buy-in cost come down. Of course, we are in a bull market though, so it is going to be harder. Doing this during a bear market is very successful. So this is definitely a great way to invest in cryptos in my opinion. This is how I buy cryptos. Whenever I get paid or anything, I take a percentage of that and I go buy the cryptos I'm bullish on for the long term. So in my opinion, if you're new to cryptocurrencies and you want to be successful in the long term, dollar cost averaging is really going to be your best bet. Messing around with day trading and leverage trading and all that other stuff really isn't worth it unless you're trading with a very large amount of cryptocurrencies and you're doing it successfully. The people that actually are most successful in crypto are those that hold very long term. For instance, Bitcoin, those that bought in before 2012 are now up over 1000x on their initial investment just from holding. Of course, there are people that try to sell the peaks and then buy in more when it does dip, but you could end up losing your position doing this and then really end up screwing yourself over for the long term. So if you find projects you're very bullish on for the long term, they look like a solid team and everything, and you think they're going to be thriving continuously 10 years down the line, then those are good projects to dollar cost average into. So before we end the video, I want to mention Tyler Winklevoss posting each bull run is an order of magnitude 10x greater than the previous one. We're just getting started. Another major reason why I say we're still early to the crypto space and why we're around mid 2017 levels on global market cap. So at the peak of the last bull run, $820 billion worth of market cap. So 10x from that at the peak of the next bull run, if it does play out exactly like that, would be an $8.2 trillion global market cap, which is another 8x from where we currently are. So another 800% higher for global market cap than we currently are. Within that, you can find altcoins that could even do a 100x. So really massive potential here, and I do think we're still very early to the game. Of course, in the short term, there can always be 20 to 30% or even more dips. So this is why I say dollar cost averaging is going to be successful, because we don't know when there's going to be a massive dip, and doing dollar cost averaging, just buying the dips along the way, new crypto investors can be very successful in the long term, especially buying the right altcoins, which I will be talking about a lot of hidden gems I'm investing in that are below the top 100 in crypto. So these are very hard to find. They require a ton of research, but I research about 5 of these per day. I'm always trying to find the next best hidden gems. SparkPoint I do think is one of them, and I will be talking about a couple other here in the next week or so. So I do recommend subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. I'm trying to hit 2 videos per day right now. So definitely check out that 5 reasons ADA will 10x video I just did on my channel. Some great information in here, why I think this is only the beginning for ADA and it can easily be going up another 5 to 10x. So I want to say thank you guys again to everyone that's been subscribing and watching my videos and sharing everything. I really appreciate it. The channel is starting to grow, and I do have a lot of big things coming here. I will be doing a lot of big giveaways as well, trying to give back as much as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you did watch to the end, I do appreciate it. Feel free to drop a comment below. I will try to reply to all of those, and I'll see you guys in the next video.